That sound, the sound of your Saturday morning being wasted. You just want a clean, professional-looking lawn edge, but your old trimmer can't keep up, or the line constantly breaks, or the battery dies after 10 minutes. What if you knew the one secret that separates a frustrating yard work day from a perfect lawn finish? It's not about buying the most expensive model. It's about buying the right one for you. After testing over a dozen models, I'm revealing the top 5 string trimmers for 2025 that will save you time, money, and your sanity. One of them is probably half the price you'd expect to pay. Starting at number 1. Husqvarna 110IL FLXi String Trimmer in Edger. Best overall. The Husqvarna 110IL is our best overall string trimmer not because it's the most powerful, but because it offers the most complete experience for the greatest number of users. Our previous best overall, the 110IL's big brother, the Husqvarna 330IKL, is still featured in this roundup, but I found the 110IL to be a better overall option for most homeowners. The 110IL doesn't have the raw power of some other heavy-duty models, but it has more than enough power to handle trimming grass and light brush of a typical suburban yard, even one that's overgrown. Instead, the 110IL excels at being good at everything. It's not too heavy, has a good battery life, is well balanced, isn't too loud, and it's on the market at a very competitive price. The Husqvarna 110IL also provides extreme versatility. It comes with a dual trimmer/edger head, unlike the 330IKL, which is a trimmer head only, providing homeowners with 2 tools in one. In addition, the FLXi line allows you to swap out heads, giving access to leaf blower, pole saw, hedge trimmer, and more, all with the same core motor. I like that the Husqvarna lines use a dedicated power button, making it a little extra safe and resistant to accidentally triggering during transport. My one complaint with the 110IL is that it only has 1 speed. Without speed controls, you aren't able to throttle down while working around flowers or buildings. Unlike some other powerful trimmers with dual strings, it didn't pull itself into the patio furniture when I performed a collision test. Overall, the 110IL does everything well, and is a great investment for anyone who wants to tackle their trimming with ease. Number 2. Worx Cordless 20V PowerShare GT 3.0 12-inch String Trimmer. Best budget. The Worx 20V PowerShare GT 3.0 is a great value if you want a lightweight, battery-powered trimmer that can handle anything the typical suburban lawn throws at it. It handled my pre- and post-mow trims with ease, while the flower garden edging mode made flower bed cleanup a breeze. Speaking of edging, the Worx performed well as an edger both around beds and along sidewalks. I noticed it strained a little bit on overgrown sidewalk edges, mostly a result of having a single cutting strand, instead of the 2 that higher-end trimmers have, but it got the job done. It takes 2 steps to convert to an edger, manually adjusting the angle of the head, then loosening and rotating the shaft. I like that it rides on 2 wheels when edging, which provided more stability, and it's surprisingly quiet for an edger/trimmer combo. The angle of the offhand grip is adjustable, but the location is not. Since the offhand grip is significantly behind the point of balance, I found it took more effort to hold it straight while trimming. The included 2.0Ah battery delivers a shorter runtime than more robust batteries with higher amp hours, but the Worx WG163 is bundled with 2 batteries. When one of the batteries runs down, you can pop in the next one and get back to work while the first battery recharges. And if you already have Worx batteries, you can pick up the tool only for under $70. Number 3. Ego Power Plus 16-inch Line IQ String Trimmer. Most user-friendly. Ego pulled out the stops in engineering this string trimmer. Start with the fact that you never have to bump feed the head, instead it feeds out string automatically. When you run out of line, simply feed a pre-cut length through the head and press the rewind button at the end of the shaft. The string zooms into the head in seconds. Our test found the 56-volt brushless motor delivers power to spare. A 2-speed selector switch enables you to choose between going full out at vegetation or dialing back the speed for around delicate shrubs. A telescoping shaft lets you adjust the length to suit your tastes, while a lightweight carbon fiber shaft makes it easier to handle. Number 4. Husqvarna 330IKL Combi Switch Plus String Trimmer. Most powerful battery. Husqvarna is highly regarded for its chainsaws among those who make a living chopping down trees, so it should come as little surprise that its string trimmers are pretty darn good, too. When it comes to power and performance, this 36-volt battery-powered 330IKL doesn't disappoint. The 330IKL is the big brother to our best overall pick, the 110IL, and a great fit for tackling thick, dense undergrowth or on large properties. It uses a thicker cutting line, 0.095 inch compared to the 110IL's 0.065 inch diameter line, and has a wider cutting swath, 18 inches, 6 inches wider than the 110IL. It doesn't have an edging conversion, though the entire head can be swapped out for an edging attachment. During testing, the 330IKL devoured dense brush, clearing tall weeds off the shoulder of a local bike path and thrashing through vegetation with ease. After all that, there was no decline in power or any snafus with line feed. In short, it's an excellent choice if you want a powerful, battery-driven trimmer. Number 5. Craftsman 20V Brushless RP String Trimmer. Best light-duty single string. In the realm of outdoor power tools, the 20-volt Craftsman occupies a lightweight, light-duty niche. It's an absolute pleasure to use. No, this isn't a weed-slashing brute, but it trims neatly and effectively. Its brushless motor and 5.0Ah battery won't give up on you before you've finished the job. Plus, it's one of the easier trimmers to handle and is easy on the ears. It weighs a mere 6.8 pounds and is nearly whisper quiet on its low setting. One caveat here, it works vertically edging, but only if you have a light hand. Its single .080 line won't take a whole lot of dirt impact. Go easy and you'll be fine. So, there you have it. The definitive guide to choosing a string trimmer that won't let you down, whether you're tackling a tiny urban garden or a massive rural property. The number 1 pick truly is a game changer. To make it easy, all the product links, including today's best deals, are waiting for you in the video description below. Go check them out. If this guide helped you find your perfect yard work partner, please give this video a thumbs up. It tells YouTube you want more content like this. Share this with a friend or neighbor who's struggling with their lawn, and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video, where we're exposing the biggest scam in riding lawn mowers. See you next time.